Hey, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. I've had a lot of you ask me a question, how do I jazz up my cannabis butter? I really don't like the flavor so much, but I like what it does for me. Well, here's what I'm gonna do. A lot of professional chefs use what we call compound butters. I'm gonna make one compound butter for you today, a basic scampi butter. I'm gonna have future videos coming out with more compound butters. On my next video, I'm gonna be doing a compound honey cannabis butter and a compound strawberry cream cannabis butter. But today, we're doing the compound scampi butter for you. Let's get started right now. Now, before we get started, you want to subscribe to the channel and click that little bell to get notifications of future videos and share with your friends. You want them to make scampi butter for you. We're going to start off with 4 ounces of cannabis butter, 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. There we go. Now we're going to use some lemon juice. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. There we go. 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest, fresh off the lemon. 1 teaspoon of parsley. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon salt and pepper mixed. 1 teaspoon of heavy cream. Now we're going to put the whip to work. Here we go. Whip it real well till everything is really smooth and blended nicely. After everything's smooth and blended nicely, we're going to lay our parchment paper down and scoop our butter onto the parchment paper. See how easy this is to make? Just like a professional chef at home. Line it up, roll it up, tuck it in, roll it this way. Now you're going to spin both ends and the butter will bind up in the middle perfectly. You freeze it until you're ready to use, and of course I always label what I have. 765 milligrams of THC scampi butter. This is Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef. We hope you enjoyed today's video, the easy way to make a compound scampi butter at home. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and click that little bell. Hey, until next time, happy cannabis cooking.